Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aditya Warman. I will explain the material, computer, and hardware. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that can store, process, and display information. It follows instruction called program or software to perform tasks. Computer can be used to write document, browser the internet, play games, watch video, and much more. They are found in school, office, home, and even in our pocket as smartphone. A computer usually includes hardware, the physical part, and software, the program that run on it. Etymology: Computer is Indonesian translator of computer. The noun computer comes from the verb computer, derived from the French computer, and derived from the Latin computer, meaning to calculate. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, the word computer was first used in by the English poet Richard Braithwaite in his book The Young Man's Gleanings. I have read the truest computer of time, and the best arithmetician the year breathed, and he reduced days into a short number. The computer referred to here is a human computer. Main hardware component of a computer. Number one, monitor display the output visually, and keyboard used to input text and commands. Number two, mouse help to control the pointer and interact with the computer. CPU, central processing unit, the brain of the computer that process data. Number three, RAM, random access memory, temporary memory used while programs are running. Hardware, hard drive, store data and files permanently. Main software component of a computer. Number one, operating system, the basic program on a computer that connect the user to the computer hardware. Commonly used operating systems are Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. The tasks of the operating system include, but are not limited to, managing the execution of programs on it, coordinating input-output, processing, memory, and software installation. Number two, computer program are additional applications that are installed according to the operating system. Advantage of using computer. Number one, speed computer and carry out instruction in less than a million of a second. Two, accuracy. Computer can do the calculation without errors and very accurately. Number three, diligence. Computer are capable of performing any task given to them repetitively. Number four, storage capacity. Computer can store large volume of data and information on magnetic media. Story of evolution of computer. Two eras: mechanical era before to 1945. Number two, electronic era. can be divided into generation. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. Language of computer. Computer only understand the electronic signal either current is flowing or not. Current flowing on, current not flowing off. Binary language on, one of, zero. Bit, byte, KB, MB, and gigabyte. What is hardware? Computer hardware is include the physical component of a computer, such as the central processing unit CPU, random access memory RAM, motherboard, computer data storage, graphic card, sound card, and computer case. Computer hardware includes external devices such as the monitor, mouse, keyboard, and speaker. History. Early computing devices were more complex than the ancient backers of the 17th century. French mathematician Blaise Pascal designed a gear-based device they called add and subtract, which solved about 50 models. The multi-step counter was invented by Gottfried Leibniz in 1976, which could also divide and multiply due to centenary manufacturing limitation and design flaws. Leibniz's count was not very functional, but a similar device, the Leibniz wheel, remained in use until the 1917. In the 19th century, Englishman Charles Babbage invented the different engine, a mechanical device of calculating polynomials of astronomical. Versus Babbage also designed a general-purpose computer that was never built. Many of these designs incorporate into the earliest computer punch card for input and output, memory and arithmetic unit, to central processing unit, and even a primitive program language similar to assembly language. Computer architecture. Computer architecture requires prioritization among various objectives such as cost, speed, availability, and energy. Efficiency designer must have a good understanding of hardware requirements and various aspects of computing, from compilers to integrated circuit design. Learning objective 1. By the end of this lesson, student will be able to the basic program on a computer that connect the user to the computer hardware, understand what hardware is, identify different types of computer hardware, describe the function of each hardware component in simple English. Use vocabulary related to hardware in sentence. Type of hardware device. Function. Keyboard to type letter, number, and symbol. Mouse to point, click, and drag item on the screen. scanner to scan image or documents, microphone to input sound of or voice, webcam to capture video and image. Storage device, monitor, display text, image, and videos. Printer to print document and image on paper. Speaker to play sound from the computer project the computer screen to a wall on screen. Example sentence. The keyboard is used to type letters. My monitor is 24-inch wide. A CPU is like the brain of the computer. I saved my project on a USB flash drive. The motherboard connects to CPU, RAM, and the component. Thank you very much.